Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This video, as you can see in the description, is about how you can change the air filter of the Grand I10. So first things first, you need to open the bonnet. So that is where you have to open the bonnet. So when you pull this key, the bonnet pops up. So then you go in front of the car and you can see a clip there which holds the bonnet, and that is like a safety clip. You just have to push it towards your left and then it pops up. So then you can hold your bonnet by placing the stick there. So as you can see, that is the air box. So that is where your air filter is, and there are two clips. One is that and the other one is here. You need to remove these two clips. So that is one, and that is the second one. So then you'll have to pull it out. Be careful when you're doing this. If you pull it out a little harder, and then the clip where the airbox is, it might break, so just have to be careful. So that is my old air filter. So now I'm going to remove that air filter. So this is how it looks like. So I'll show you the new air filter which I bought. It's about 184 rupees. So you might get it in it's better that you use a Hyundai original spares of all this kind. It's better you use them because it give you it gives you the exact performance. So that is the air filter. So this is the new one. I'll just show you like how the old one and the new one looks like. So as you can see, my old air filter is a lot clogged up. So I just put it back right now, and since there was a lot of dust in the air filter box, so I thought I'll just clean it up. So it's better you use a dry cloth rather than a damp cloth. I used a microfiber cloth to clean this, since all of the dust will stick up and come out easily. Make sure you don't leave a lot of dust residue inside. Now you can take the new air filter and place it the same exact way, the way you removed the old air filter. Lift it and just place it there. So make sure it is sitting perfectly. If you see clearly that there will be three clips where you will have to place them in the right way. That is, just push them inside the right way, and when they are aligned, they will go and get placed properly. Now the only thing left is that you will have to place the two clips, that is one and the other one is here, and after placing these two clips you are done. So that is how you have to change your air filter. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys.